Hello everyone. Before we start off, thank you so much for those who are listening out of boredom because this is being made out of boredom. Second thing, we are now also on Spotify from today, and if you are a person who has the money to afford it, you can join us on Spotify. For those who have that feedback that yes, the video is very data consuming or there's nothing to see per se in this podcast, no problem. We came up with a solution. There's a Spotify podcast now, so it's on Anchor FM and Spotify, where you can only listen to the audio, and all our episodes will be first put up in the audio format on Spotify, and then we'll come up to YouTube. So if you are in Spotify, then please follow so that you get more updates if you like it. And if you are watching this on YouTube, I am trying to implement something, some pictures, something extra apart from the audio podcast. So yeah, there are two different aspects. Whichever you feel like is more better, please get into it. Till now, I have not monetized this. I mean, I can't monetize this because it's obviously nothing yet. The moment it becomes something and I get an opportunity to monetize it, I'll try to come up with something new because that's how you stay in the market. Now, once again, thank you so much for joining in today's The Funny Podcast, the fourth episode. The third one was removed due to certain bombing incident. Going into the discussion for today, not today, I'm going to talk about something which is for me has been a very eye opener because I have lived in different parts of the country and different states, and everywhere there are two aspects to a particular concept, and either you call it something or you don't call it something. When you talk about not calling something some particular name, there is a particular aspect included in it. So, before getting into the joke part, because today we are talking about automobiles and how exactly automobiles are defined in this country, specifically in India. And everything that I'm going to say, it's going to be something that we have or something that I have witnessed in my time in different cities of the country from different regions. So, to give more context to this, I'll have to explain you about cities. Yeah, that's how basic we are getting into. So, when we talk about city is something that has an urban aspect to it. There's some sort of a development that has been done, and that is what breaks it out from a town or a village. So, now in India, there is a classification of cities. Yes, something as generic as yes, this is a city, this is a village, needs to be further broken down because that is how free we are to create wasteful information. So, yes, in India there are different ways. Now, the revenue services, they have a different classification. Then comes the revenue system has a different classification which focuses on a particular aspect, which is more like the fact that yes, we know your math is good because they have classified it as X, Y, and Z. So X are considered to be the metros. And well, while researching for this particular podcast, yes, I do research. I figured out that even Ahmedabad is a X city because honestly, the only X factor there is in Ahmedabad or was there in Ahmedabad was the after that it's just someone warming their seat up. Now this might get edited. I don't know if it's going to sound correct or not. But yeah, Ahmedabad is an X city along with Bombay, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Pune and Kolkata. And if you don't know what exactly makes them X cities, let's just say that they are called metro cities. I don't know why they have to come up with X. Same way, other cities that are state capitals but not as huge in terms of revenue streams or population, they are Y, and the rest, whom you like the cities that you've not even heard of. For example, a city named Bhilai in Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is again a state in India, and Bhilai is a city, which is a developing city, but I am pretty sure you've not heard about it. नहीं सुना होगा, होता है. So there's one explanation for cities through this. The second explanation is by the RBI. Now RBI broke it down into a simpler aspect. They gave them tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Yes, RBI was so smart, so clever कि उनको लोगों को समझाने के लिए कि हाँ ये सिटीज़ की क्लासिफिकेशन है, उन्होंने इकोनॉमिक्स में भी ट्रेन का रेफरेंस डाला है. दैट इज़ हाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ गोइंग टू कैच द टारगेट ऑडियंस. If only I had the understanding of it, so that my podcast could grow in a very great rate. But yeah, tier cities have a different approach. Now this is the one that is accepted on a global platform. दूसरा city जो मेरा classification है, that is based on how they define their automobiles. Now the word that we are focusing on today is called Gadi. Gadi, and I can't explain it right now because you might have a different definition for this. The word Gadi in itself, the Hindi definition of Gadi is basically a Vahan, and the purpose of a Vahan is to take one person or a group of people from one place, point A, to another place, point B. Simple. इसमें और कुछ नहीं घपला कर सकते, इसमें और कुछ समझाने लायक भी नहीं है. बट गाड़ी अपने आप में एक क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम है. बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज इन भिलाई, आई वाज ब्रॉट अप इन भिलाई, सो या भिलाई में you get a lot of two-wheelers as compared to four-wheelers. Developing city and not everyone has a car, but yes, we do have a lot of businessmen who go to another city, buy a expensive luxury car, some city X kind of a car like an Audi or a BMW, and they bring it to Bhilai where there are not many roads to run those BMWs. So yeah, गाड़ी वर्ड का मतलब बेसिकली हो जाता है टियर 2 में एनीथिंग दैट हैज़ व्हील्स एंड हेल्प्स यू इन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. तो ऑटो भी गाड़ी, बस भी गाड़ी, कार भी गाड़ी, टू व्हीलर्स भी गाड़ी. बट द great thing that I saw when I shifted to a tier 1 city is that they only consider cars. मतलब कि 4 लोग से ज़्यादा बिठाओगे तो कार नहीं है, वो गाड़ी नहीं है, वो ट्रक है. तुम दिल्ली में जाओ, बॉम्बे में जाओ, वहाँ पे तुम बोलोगे कि गाड़ी लेके आ, द पर्सन ऑब्वियसली विल थिंक कि अरे अमीर आदमी, इसके पास कार है इतनी कम उम्र में, वो चाहे सेकेंड हैंड एक्टिवा क्यों नहीं लेके आ रहा. सो गाड़ी इन टियर 1 इज़ नॉट two-wheelers, is not buses, it's just four-wheeler cars which can seat a maximum of 5. और अगर SUV में तो फिर भी 2 ही होते हैं, क्योंकि दारू पीने के बाद जो लोग चलाते हैं गाड़ी, उनके साथ लोग बैठना ही क्यों चाहेंगे, तो मैक्सिमम SUV में 2 ही हो जाते हैं. सो देयर इज दिस डिफरेंस इज समथिंग दैट हैज़ मेड मी रियली क्यूरियस थ्रू टाइम. क्योंकि पहले मैं बोलता था कि हाँ गाड़ी है मतलब कुछ भी हो सकता है, जिसमें चक्के हैं, तुम्हें एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेके जाता है, और मेहनत कम है. सो मेहनत कम है का मतलब है कि मैंने ऑलरेडी साइकिल हटा दिया, सो दैट यू गाइज डोंट बैकलैश कि हाँ फिर तो साइकिल भी गाड़ी. तो या साइकिल इज़ नॉट गाड़ी, गाड़ी इज़ गाड़ी विच इज़ एनी मोटराइज्ड व्हीकल दैट टेक्स यू फ्रॉम पॉइंट A टू पॉइंट B. तो ये कन्फ्यूजन मुझे रहता गया. एंड अभी भी अगर मैं, बिकॉज आई वॉज बॉर्न इन ब्रॉट अप इन भिलाई एंड it was a tier 2 city. Throughout time I used to think कि हाँ मतलब गाड़ी है तो मैं बाहर भी जाऊँगा तो मैं लोगों को गाड़ी का मतलब यही है कि हाँ मैं गाड़ी में आया. So last year I went to this very posh place in Delhi, which is called the Indian Habitat Center or India Habitat Center. I don't know, we call it IHC. तो वहाँ पे ऑल अमेरिकन डाइनर में बैठे थे मैं और मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी. तो वी वर टॉकिंग एंड शी आस्क्ड मी कि आया कैसे, बिकॉज आई डोंट स्टे देयर एनी मोर. तो आई वॉज विजिटिंग. तो मैंने बोला मैं गाड़ी में आया हूँ. सो लाइक कि किसकी कार है. मतलब कार नहीं, एक्टिवा में. तो उसको गाड़ी क्यों बोल रहा है. मतलब कि गाड़ी है वो, मतलब दैट इज़ द पर्पस. तो उसने बोला कि नहीं कार गाड़ी होती है, बाकी चीज़ें गाड़ी नहीं होती. मतलब कि ओके तुम बोलो, तुम खुश रहो उसमें. बट द पॉइंट इज़ वाई देर इज़ अ कन्फ्यूजन. कन्फ्यूजन इसलिए है क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है कि गाड़ी का मतलब वो है, तो हमारा वो बर्थ राइट है कि अगर दूसरे लोग जो हर मोटराइज्ड व्हीकल को गाड़ी बोलते हैं उनको तुम समझाओ कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता. और अगर तुम उनको पूछोगे कि फिर क्या होता है तो बोलता है कि वो नहीं पता बट ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं होता. बिकॉज इफ दे से कि 4-व्हीलर गाड़ी है, सम पीपल विल से 4-व्हीलर गाड़ी है, तो दे विल कीप ऑन सेइंग कि हाँ मैं बोलूँगा कि हाँ ठीक है फिर तो ट्रक भी गाड़ी हुई. तो बोलता है नहीं वो नहीं होता. मतलब कि वो नहीं होता क्या होता है भाई. बी अ लिटिल मोर सर्टन, एटलीस्ट हैव योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर कि बिफोर यू ब्रेन वॉश समवन यू आर गोइंग टू गेट अ थरो अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि हाँ मेरे को ये पता है, मैं ये पॉइंट मारूंगा. दैट इज़ हाउ द डिबेट वर्क्स. बट अगर डिबेट कैसे करते हैं वो पता होता तो गाड़ी पर डिबेट करना शायद नहीं किया होता. So this debate is never going to end, for me at least, because I am still calling a 2-wheeler gadi. And people who say कि there are only cars which are considered to be gadis, उनके लिए ये चीज़ कभी बदलेगी नहीं. So okay, no problem, stay happy. That is the point. The only problem I get to have with this particular term, that is gadi, is that मेरे लिए ये वर्ड का मतलब है कि आई कैन कम्युनिकेट, आई कैन पास ऑन अ मैसेज दैट दिस इज़ व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. तो मैं अगर किसी को बोलूँगा कि मैं गाड़ी में आया हूँ, आई डोंट हैव टू दैट इज़ द फुल स्टॉप, दैट इज़ द लाइक दैट इज़ वेयर आई पुट द पीरियड. बट तुम्हें तो ये समझाना पड़ेगा कि मेरे लिए गाड़ी क्या है. सो ये वर्ड और ये पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट मुझे समझाना पड़ता है. तो जो एक वर्ड में मैं अपना पूरा मैसेज पास ऑन करना चाहता था वो एक्चुअली एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हो नहीं पाया. दैट इज़ वेयर आई फक अप. सो these were some thoughts that I had about this particular word. If you're watching YouTube, please and if you liked it, please hit like. If you don't like it, do not dislike it, but rather put up a comment. I can help take some help from that. Also engagement increase hota hai. And thirdly, if you are on any podcasting platform where I now am, then please share it to your friends, because as far as I know I don't see a like or a comment button. So yeah, if you want to hear more of it, please put up in the comment section, or maybe I'll just give you my WhatsApp number so that you can send me hateful messages so that I know what exactly am I doing in life. That will be all for today. Thank you so much, and I'll come up with another topic, another very stupid weird topic to discuss on. Bye bye.